Hello, and this is going to be a quick guide on how to make colors pop in Paint.net. This is based on Xmario's Get Paint.net forum post, and they'll be linked below. Here we have a photo. As you can see, the greens are pretty dull. There's nothing too special going on here. It was a bright day. The greens are, they're okay, but we could do a little bit better. So something optional I like to do is just go into Effects, Photo, Sharpen, and just increase this by 1. But again, this depends entirely on your photo. So what we're going to do here to make the colors pop is to duplicate the layer, and on the top layer, go into Adjustments, Black and White, pick the regular one if you have any others. Want to invert the colors, and then we want to change the blend mode of this top layer to Reflect. So as you can see, the colors are immediately brighter, but we have all these white areas. So what we want to do here is to go into Adjustments, Curves, and in the very top right here, just try and grab this if you can. Drag it fully to the right, the mouse off to the right, and bring this just down. Even just bringing it down a tiny bit will remove all those white splodges in the black areas. So here the colors are really popping, but the main thing we want to do is just play about with the opacity. So down to 0, obviously it's how it was, but we increase it a little bit, the colors are popping a lot more now. This is a bit extreme if you have it on max. Usually this is always too much. Again, depends on the photo. I'd have it just a little bit, just make the colors a little bit better, especially when I'm converting things into desktop backgrounds. So here's the after, there's the before. You can see the colors are significantly better, especially in these duller areas up here. The big improvement that brings out the greens. Hopefully you found this tutorial useful, and hopefully it helps you with your Paint.net experience.